Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can fix no internet access on Windows 10. If you see something like no internet access, this may be due to few reasons. First of all, click on your Wi-Fi option, see here, and just click on manual activation of Wi-Fi so that it will show you all the available networks. So it's still showing like internet access is not available. What you can do is you can turn on airplane mode and again turn off it. So now it get refreshes and it tries to reconnect to the available network. See here, it is getting connected. So make sure you turn off the airplane mode. So the main reason for this glitch is maybe your battery percentage is low. So make sure you plug in the power adapter so that your battery gets charged and you won't face this no internet access. Okay, this is because there may be battery optimization which is running background on the Windows OS, so that it is making to turn off Wi-Fi for saving battery. I'll show you here. I'll show you this setting. So just in the search bar, search as battery saving. Here, tap on this. This is Windows 10. And here you can see there is 20% option here. So if my battery gets below 20%, or automatically the battery optimization gets on, and you may face this error like no internet access and automatic turning off this Wi-Fi